Black Swan, number 3. When looking at an object, as it gets farther away, it always appears smaller. This is the law of perspective. The size can be measured in degrees, and you can calculate it using triangulation or this formula here if you prefer. When something is close and then you double or triple the distance between yourself and the object, it changes in angular size a lot. But if something's already very far away and you change the distance by that same amount, it hardly changes in angular size at all. So flat earthers claim the sun is small and local. If this were the case, then when measuring the angular size of the sun, it must vary a lot throughout the day. If the sun is 93 million miles away, its angular size must hardly change at all throughout the day, since the distance is not changing very much relative to the already large distance to the sun. So when looking at the sun, it's always important not to do it with your own eyes. Use something very dark like welder's glass or a proper solar filter. The same is true for a camera. If you don't, the camera will get an image of the glare, not the actual size of the sun. So in this video by Felipe Rockholt, who's a flat earther, he did use a solar filter when he filmed the sun at sunrise, midday, and sunset. It's clear that the sun is very nearly the same size in all 3 times of day. Not drastically different sizes as it must be if the earth is flat. Thanks, Felipe. So here's Black Swan number 3. If the sun is small and local, according to the law of perspective, its angular size must vary dramatically throughout the day. The sun's angular size hardly varies at all throughout the day. Therefore, the earth is not flat.